click on the eye icon to hide or reveal layer. Click on the arrow to reveal grouped layers. Each element is on its own separate layer. This means that you have full control over elements. To select element you want to use, select Move tool V on the keyboard and hold Alt plus right-click on the element. You will see that this image is selected on its layer. With Move tool you can position elements where you need them. Some of the elements I didn't use in this cover, but if you click on the eye icon, you will be able to see them and use in your designs. You can easily change the background color by double-clicking on the color layer. With the eyedropper tool, you can sample colors from the screen. Just click once on the color you want to use. Now let's design cover from the scratch using drawn elements. Hide group with elements first. Select layer and move it on top of the group. With Move tool selected, press Command plus T to be able to rotate the elements. Press Enter when you're done. To duplicate the element, press Command plus J. Repeat the steps for other elements. To change color of the element, double-click on its layer. In the window that appears, select Color Overlay. Click on the color you want to use. Command plus T to rotate the element. Another quick way to duplicate the element is to drag it holding Alt. To select and move more than one element, hold Command plus select layer or click on the first layer. Hold Shift and click on the last layer. To add more elements to the selection, hold Shift plus Alt and right-click with Move tool on the element. When you're done, press Command plus S to save your design. Then go back to the window called Your Design and press Command plus S to make changes for the cover. Now let's see how you can design your cover using premade patterns that included in this download. Open folder with patterns. Select first pattern and drag it to the Photoshop icon to open it in new window. Select all other patterns and drag them to the window with the first pattern. Press Enter to place the image. Select the pattern you want to use. Hide Reveal by pressing on the eye icon. Then go to Edit, Define Pattern. Go back to the main design window. Double-click on the background color layer and select Pattern Overlay. In the drop-down window, you'll see the pattern you just saved. Click on it. From here, you can change the scale of the pattern and its blending mode. Experiment with blending modes to achieve interesting results. Let's proceed with designing this cover. Create a new layer, Shift plus Command plus N. Select rectangular tool M and drag with your cursor to create the selection. Select Paint Bucket tool. Hold Alt, the eyedropper tool will appear. Choose the color from background. Click inside the selection to fill it with color. Let's change the color of the circle. Double-click on the layer. Check Color Overlay and choose the color you want. You can copy layer style by holding Alt and dragging effect layer to another layer. Play around with patterns to see which one you like more. Don't forget to press Command plus S to save your design when you're finished. Then go to previous window and do the same. Another design using pattern number 10 and playing with its blending modes. Let's add your own text instead of an existing one. To start from scratch, hide all the layers except the background one. Choose Text tool T and drag with it to create the text frame. Type your text. Go to the character window. If you don't see it on your panel, select the window in upper menu and character. Here you can change size and leading of the text. Apply pattern for the background. Create new layer under the text layer. You can use rectangle tool U to create a shape. To change color of the shape, just double-click on the layer image. Change color for the text. Align text to the center. With Move tool and layers selected, click on the alignment options. Command+S to save. Let's save your cover as JPEG to use in GoodNotes. Go to File, Save As. Select the folder where you want to save it. Give it a name. In Format drop-down menu choose JPEG and press Save.